I'm back now from inside the coop. I ain't giving nothing away now. Actually, my life just got a whole bunch happier because I had someone unfollow me that I was talking about earlier, so it kind of made me happy. And it's just so super sad, though. Y'all, like, I don't even know what's wrong with people anymore. Like, I don't even get the joy stealing. I don't get why you don't lift each other up. I don't get why you have to have something in return for doing something kind to someone. It's just so weird to me. I see y'all. I got 2 of them in the, hey Tracy. I got 2 of them in my hen box right now. They're trying to lay eggs. They ain't making no noise though. So they're trying to lay some eggs in here. And it is raining. So it's icky out. I've got my umbrella in here with me going in between the run and the coop. Lockham Dad should have built me a door here so I could just go right into the run. That would have been a great idea. We could have just opened the door to let him out. Why didn't I think about that sooner? We could have totally done that. I didn't even think about that. Could have done a door with a window or something. So we've got some errands to run. We still ain't celebrated, so I don't know. We gotta do a few things. I don't know when we're gonna get to do that, but this rain though, it's just depressing. Hey, Miss Mary. Hey, Miss Violet. Is that who's in there, Miss Mary? How y'all doing today? How's the weather where you're at? Oh, goodness. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to... They got little messes. I don't know where this all come from. Little stinkers. Chickens are messy. Yes, they are. Aren't you, Miss Cora? Miss Cora says, I don't know what you're talking about, Mama. Y'all, Celeste is so excited about winning. And if I told you what she did, you wouldn't believe me. She's such a sweetie. She's so sweet. She has decided to pay it forward with someone. She wants me to send it to someone that has done a lot for others. So one of y'all may be getting my box. So it's just so exciting to me when someone is just so sweet and kind. She's like, is that okay with you? And I'm like, are you kidding me? That's about the sweetest thing I've ever heard. Of course it's okay with me. Alright, I think I'm about done here. Then we'll see what the chickens are up to. She probably didn't want me to tell you that because that was just out of the sweetness of her heart. Let me turn y'all around. I see you, Miss Cora. Let's see what's going on here. Hey, Jack. Hey, Pat. Hey, Tracy. Hey, Anna. Okay, we have 2 right now, but I've got 2 in the hen box as we speak. And there's Miss Violet's lazy egg. All right. Sorry, y'all. I know it's probably a little weird right now. Let me set these here. All right. So we got 2, but we got 2 in the box. Let's see what they're doing. Oh, there comes Miss Mary. Hey, Miss Mary. Hi, Miss Violet. Hi, baby. Hi. She's being awful quiet. She's not in there making any noise or anything. All right, let's see. Is it still raining? It's really not raining. I'm going to leave my umbrella right here. Mama be back. I know, Miss Rosie. I know, Miss Rosie. Hey, Lisa. All right. It's just sprinkling right this second. It was coming down real good earlier. All right. Okay. Okay. I know. Goodness gracious. So how's the weather where y'all are? We are just in another glorious summer day here. We never know what's going to happen. Is it going to be scorching hot and we can't breathe, or is it going to be storming all day? They're so sweet though. I think Log Home Dad forgot to spray these wasps. I hear you. All right, y'all. Well, I'm going to get back into Log Home Dad so we can get ready and take off. But we love y'all, and I'll see you tomorrow right back here. Bye, guys.